Hi everybody, nice that you're watching another video. And yeah, well, today is Monday and we're planning to go to the Hangar 7 in Salzburg. That's a Red Bull like museum or something like that, or where they store their cars and planes. And well, we do a little sightseeing as well, so join us. Hi guys, so today is Tuesday and another day off, and we decided to go to the Gruner See, or Green Lake, and yeah, it's absolutely amazing here. So if you're ever nearby, just yeah, go here. It's breathtaking. Well, good morning. So today is Thursday. Yeah, 3 days are over. Yesterday already we went to the track to prepare some stuff, and well, today we have to work on the bikes, because obviously they need to be ready for tomorrow. So that's the Friday done before, and as you can see, the bikes are already tucked in, so ready to go to the hotel. Okay, so Pt.2 today. Wasn't what we wanted, but well, we got our work cut out for us tomorrow, and I don't need these tires. Now I'm gonna get some new ones and check the brakes. Alright, look at these bad boys. This is especially designed brake disc for tracks like this, like Red Bull Ring or MotoGP or Thailand. And well, here I measure the thickness. So I put it in the computer, and then I can see what the wear is per kilometer. And well, here are some brake pads, also with the cooling fins. So like I said, this is especially for hard braking tracks. And again, I measure on 4 points. the brake pad, put it in a computer so I can keep track of the wear of every set I have, and like this we can make a plan for the race. And when that is done, I will check and clean the calipers and make the sets ready to go on the bike. Left is the wet, right is the dry.
Everything was wrong, didn't look right to me. You were my hand, stood straight up to me. Said everything was wrong, didn't look right to me. I said you were my pleasure, said you were my pain.
A very good morning. So obviously we left the Red Bull ring, not with the best result ever, but yeah, well, it's still points. We had no crash, so yeah, it is what it is. And yeah, let's hope we can do a little bit better job in Silverstone. But for now I drive back to the Netherlands, close to my house, and then next week I'm gonna go to the UK. And well, as you can see, a lot of people came just as far as I did yesterday, and it's just before Regensburg. And well, you can see the Petronas Moto3 team, the Repsol guys, Julian Marquez of the Marquez brother motorhome, and some HRC trucks. And yeah, I still have a big day ahead of me, like 770 kilometers, something like this. So it's a long day drive, but yeah, hopefully tonight I will be in my own bed again. So yeah, let's see what the day brings. So I'm almost there. It's only 70 kilometers to go. Unfortunately, I still have to do the 45-minute break, because otherwise I cannot make it in the legal driving times. Yeah, so yeah, I have to wait a little bit. And also it's raining at the moment, so it's not that I can sit on a bench and yeah, wait in the sun, but yeah, it is what it is. I wait here in the cabin before the signal that I can go again, and then yeah, it's, I think well, what's 50-minute drive, 45, something like this, and then I'll be at the parking, so just a little bit more. Yes, we made it. I'm almost at the exit where I need to be, back in the Netherlands, and well, this is where my video ends. And yeah, if you like it, make sure you hit the like and subscribe button as well. And well, I really hope to see you in my next video. So bye bye for now.